it's Emily. Today I am going to be opening and reviewing the JW PEI Ava shoulder bag. I am so excited for this. I have seen this bag all over Instagram and I finally caved and bought it. It's been featured everywhere, even on Vogue, so I'm super excited to show you guys. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this and stay tuned. So before I get into the unboxing, let me just tell you guys the price. So I live in Canada, so everything converts over to Canadian dollars. So I bought this for $37.90 in US dollars, and then it came to $50 Canadian after the conversion. When I bought this bag, it was on sale on their website, but I think they're always on a sale because I've never seen it less than $39. The shipping time took about a month, but Canada Post actually had delays with like COVID and everything, so it got delayed an extra 2 weeks or so. But you know what, that's fine. It was stuck in Vancouver for the longest time, and then I DM'd their Instagram and like email and stuff. Then they eventually got back to me. They basically just told me to be patient and wait, and then it finally came in the mail. So let's get to the unboxing. So the bag actually comes in this white and gray marble box. It's super cute, except mine actually came damaged. Just beware if you're like a box person or planned on keeping or repurposing the box. It only comes in a plastic mailer. It's not even a bubble mailer, so mine was completely ripped on the corner, and therefore my box has some damage, and throughout the middle there's dents and stuff, so it's not the most secure packaging. But if you really wanted to keep the box, then just keep that in mind. It just might come damaged to you. But as we open it, ooh, okay, so it comes in this little silk bag. It's not silk, it's like an off-brand silk, but like it's decent silk. It's kind of like filling though, but it's just a dust bag. All right, so when you take it out of its little dust bag, oh, it's so cute. Wait, I am so excited. I like this. Ah. This is the Ava shoulder bag. I got it in the ivory color. The white was completely sold out, and I just have so many black bags, and I'm not really in the mood for like a colorful bag, but this is what it looks like. So this bag is actually vegan leather. That's what they call it, vegan leather, but in reality it's just plastic. This is polyurethane material, but you know, it's better than leather. Okay, so when we open it, it just comes with a bunch of padding. Oh, okay, so this one actually has like a little, it has like a little compartment inside. So I think some of the old bags didn't actually have this, but the new ones do, so that's pretty cool. So upon further examination, the stitching actually looks pretty good on this. It doesn't look like it's like too cheap or anything. And then the croc pattern is pretty nice. I like it. It has a nice feel to it. All the hardware on this bag is silver, so if you are a gold person, that might interfere with your jewelry. So another little small detail I like about this bag is that all their hardware is engraved with JW PEI on it. It's on the zippers, it's on the sides of it. It's just like a nice little detail that some companies like don't really do, like not like big companies do it, but like a bit of smaller companies I don't really see do it, so that's just nice of them. The only like major con I can think of right now is that when you go to close this bag, the zipper doesn't fully close, so you're always gonna have this tiny little opening here, but I don't think that should affect me. If I hold it upside down, the zipper doesn't start unzipping itself too far, so I think we're good. Another thing I want to see long term is that if like there's any color transfer on this bag. So I know that sometimes when you wear like a lot of blue jeans, like the dye can like rub off onto things, so hopefully that doesn't happen. But if you guys want to stay updated with that, you can follow my Instagram. It's all linked down below and everything, and I will probably do like a 1 month update with this bag or so, just to see how it does. So now the main part of owning a bag, how much fits inside of it. This is a pretty decent sized bag. So the first thing I always need with me is my phone. This is the iPhone 11. It's not a plus size or anything. I'm just gonna throw my phone in here. Oh, this is all gonna fit. My phone is now in there. Next up is my wallet. Okay, that fits. Hand sanitizer, AirPods, and my mask. All right, and now we're just gonna zip this closed. And it fits. So it is kind of like bulging out at the sides, but you know what? The main thing is that it all fits inside, and it works, and it holds it perfect, and it like sits nice on your shoulder. That's the biggest problem with like shoulder bags. Sometimes they just like start slipping off your shoulder, but this one, for like everything that I have in it, it's not feeling like it's gonna slip off my shoulder at all. Wow, I'm so happy with this. But I do want to show you guys how you can style it with some outfits. Styling bags is one of my favorite things with outfits, so here's a couple outfits I would wear this bag with.
So this is more of a springtime / summer outfit. I think it looks super cute. The bag is just like so delicate, and it adds so nicely to this outfit. This next one is for the more casual days, and I love how the bag matches like the little sweater cardigan, and it's super cute, and I love this one so much. This bag is also really good for contrasting, so I figured I'd put together an all black outfit, sort of on like the darker slash a bit edgier side, not too much, but I really like the contrast of it.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in a further like in-depth what's in my bag, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be uploading one in the future, maybe in like a couple weeks or so. So stay tuned for that. Just hit that subscribe button down below and hit that little bell notification to be notified when the next time I post is. Anyways, if you guys want more videos like this, reviews, or just like any other type of videos, lifestyle videos, fashion, just let me know in the comments down below. I will be super happy to film them for you guys. If you want to see more of me, all my social media links are down below. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching my little review video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!